In this video, I'll show you how you can convert your Base44 web app into native app. So it's very simple, just follow my steps. So first step is to go to apps in Base44 and choose app. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Once the app loads, click on publish button in top right corner and then click on publish app. Then you need to copy this URL. So copy your URL and go to some kind of third-party site which can convert your web into app. So type something like this, convert web app to mobile app, and then you can choose from many sites. So for this example, I found this app my site. Then click on start for free. From here, click on create app. Then you can name your app. And from app type, you need to choose web to app. So click on this one and then paste your URL of your website. Then click create app. Now you can choose your color. So let's say this green one, this one, and click continue. Now you can close this and you can click on preview on the left side. From here you can test it on real devices. So click on this. You can scan this QR code. So that's how you can test it, or you can just click on those screens of those phones and it will show you a preview of your site in mobile. As you can see, you have this iPhone and you have Pixel, so Android. And as you can see, this is how your site looks. You can scroll through it. So as you can see, it's working. Now you need to click on download on the left side under preview. And from here, you can choose either Android app or iOS app. To be able to use iOS app, you need to upgrade plan. So this is not free, but we can still build Android app for free. So click on build app and then click on build app in top right corner. As you can see, 14 minutes estimated. So it's going to take a while to make the APK file. Then once you are going to have your file, you can download it, or you can click publish under the download, and from here you can publish your APK file then in, let's say, Google Play Store. So you can click on publish and this will open Google Play console. So from here you can sign in and then you can upload your APK file here, and once the Google Play review your file, then you are going to be able to publish it on Google Play Store. So that's it. That's how you can convert your Base44 web app into native app. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.